Good evening, everyone. Yesterday we have started with the second topic of intelligence, and today we are going to solve the remaining problems. Okay, so yesterday we have finished up to problem number 7, and today we are going to start from problem number 8.
Good evening, ma'am.
मैडम हमारे Okay, so yesterday under topic number series, right? We have finished up to question number 7, and this is our question number 8. Okay, so question number 8 is in the number series. Okay, number series is given to you. How many times an odd number is immediately followed by an odd number? Okay, see, don't worry regarding page number. Okay, we are taking different problem from different books, so we do not, whenever we are teaching you, we do not follow one type of book. Okay, so right now I can't tell you any type of page number, because whatever questions are taken, that are taken from different books. Okay, so let us continue. In the number series 894632617657, how many times an odd number is immediately followed by an odd number? Okay, now whenever we are talking about odd number, you must know what is meant by odd number, and you must know what is meant by even number. The number which are completely divided by 2. See, the number which are completely divided by 2 is known as even number, and the number which is not completely divided by 2 is called an odd number. Okay, if you don't like this definition or this concept, another one is the number which has 2, 4, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 on its even place, on its ones place, then it is called as the even number. The number which has 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 on its one place then it is called as the even number. Good evening, Shaha. Good evening, beta. Okay. And the number which has 1, 3, 5, 7, or
Good
9
morning, Ramla.
on its one place, that is known as the odd number. Okay. So this is concept of even number and odd number. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 on one's place or completely divided by 2 is known as even number, and 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 on one's place is known as the odd number, or the number which is not completely divided by 2. Any one definition or any one concept you can remember. Now, let us come to question. Okay. So first of all, I will write series. Series is 8, 9, 4, 6, 3, 2, 6, 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 7. Okay. Now, you have to tell me whether 8 is odd number or even number. You have to tell me whether 8 is even number or odd number. Send message and start. Yes, tell me whether 8 is even number or odd number. Arnav. See, even number 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. This is even number. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are odd numbers. Okay. Now you have to tell me, okay, 8 is even number. What about 9? Whether 9 is even number or odd number? Soham, Aradhya, Shaha. What about 9? 9 is odd number. Very good. What about 4? Whether 4 is even or odd number? What about 4?
Even.
It is even number. 6 is the even number. 3 is odd. 2 is even. 6 is even. 1 odd. 7 odd. 6 even. Odd, even, odd. What is the question? What is the question? How many times odd number comes after odd number? How many times odd number comes after odd number? Tell me how many times in series you are able to see that odd number is present after odd number. How many times? How many times odd number comes after our odd number? See in series properly and tell me how many times. Aradhya, Arnav, Shaha, Soham. Shaha, what is your name? Shaha, what is your name? Everyone will tell me how many times odd number comes after odd number. 5 times odd number after odd number. Even, odd, even, odd, even. What I'm asking you, Soham, what is my question? How many times odd number comes after odd number? How many times this has happened? Immediately, not like this, even, odd, no. Yes, Aradhya, very good. Aradhya's option is right. Aradhya has given right option. See, my question is, how many times it has happened? Odd number appears immediately after odd. Arnav, where you are able to see 6 times odd number after odd number? See, here it is odd. Here it is odd, even. O must follow O. where it is like this, O must follow O, odd, odd. Soham, no. What is my question? How many times odd number follows odd number? Yes, Arnav, right? It is only one time has happened. Odd number has followed odd number. That is 7 has followed 1. So our option will be option number 1 will be our right option. Okay. If any difficulty, you can ask me.
Mommy?
Okay. So now we will go for next question now. Question number 9. In the series 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 9, 7, 8, 2, 3, 9. 2, 3, 5. 3, 2, 3, 3. Okay. In the series 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 9, 7, 8, 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 3, 3. How many times 3 is?
Ma'am, screen is not visible properly. Go. Graduation kutu name. माझं नेम पहिल्यांदाच असं
काय शिकवताय ते लक्ष दे पहिलं.
properly visible.
Okay. Now next question. How many times 3 is preceded by 2 but not immediately followed by 9? Let me explain you question what is mean by precede. Okay, see how many times 3 is precedes by 2 but not immediately followed by 9. Precedes means 2 will be first and then after 2 there must be 3. But condition is that after 3, 9 must not be there. Okay. See, what is the meaning of how many times 3 is preceded by 2 but not immediately followed by 9? It means that first 2 will be there, afterwards 3 will be there, but 9 must not be there. Okay. Write the series. See series 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 9, 7, 8, 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 3, 3. Okay. Now see and tell me how many times it is like that 2 is first, than 3, it means by 3 is preceded by 2, but not followed by 9. It means that after 3, immediately 9 must not be there. Okay. See how many times it is like this. See. 2, 3, 7. Okay.
1.
Will this, is it right? 2, 3,
No.
9. Is it right?
No.
Should
No.
we take this? No. Why? Because here 9 is present. This we will not take. Okay. Here also 2, 3, 9 is there. This also we will not take. But here 2, 3, 5. Right. And here 2, 3, 3. See how many times it is there? 1, 2 times, and this is 3 times. 3 times, it means that our option number 2 will be the right option. Okay. Okay. Soham, Aradhya, Arnav, right. Okay. So our option number 2, 3 times is the right option. Next question. Next question. Find the greatest number.
Ma'am, screen is not visible clearly.
Okay. Now, our next question. Find the greatest number. Okay. We have to find out the greatest number that can be formed by taking the digit at the third place from right. At the third place from right, and the digit at the second place from left in the series. Okay. Understand question. This is series which is given to us. Okay. And what we are supposed to take? We are supposed to take the digit which is at third place from right side. This is your right side. Right side. Okay, from here, third digit, and the digit at the second place from left. Okay, now tell me which is the digit at third place from right side. From right side, which is the digit at third place? At Soham, at third place. Soham, listen to my question properly. Which is the digit at third place from right side? Aradhya, your answer is wrong, beta. See series properly. You are not able to see. See the series properly. What is the digit at third place from right side? Shall I give number also? 1, 2, 3. Arnav, third place digit. Yes. Which is third place from right side? Come on, this is simple one. See, first place, second place, third place. So which is this digit? Soham, which is this digit? Yes, Arnav, 9. 9, right. Right, Soham, 9. And which is the digit from left side, second digit? Which is the second digit from left side, second digit? Yes, 2. So make the greater number from 9 and 2. Make the greater number. Soham, Arnav, make the greater number from 92. Right. So I'm right. Right answer. So which option will be right now? Yes, Arnav. Aradhya, are you there? Which option will be right? Our yes, option number 1 will be the right option, that is 92. Okay, so I'm right one. Option number 1 will be the right answer. Next. In the following number series, how many even numbers are there? Okay. So what they have asked us, options are 4, 3, 1 and 2. Okay, these are your options. How many even numbers are there that are divisible by 3? Again here even number, odd number concept. Okay, even number means which have 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 at one's place. Okay, those number which have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at one's place are called as even numbers. Okay, now Is 146 even number? First we have to clear that. Is 146 even number? Yes or no? Is 146 even number? Arnav, why you're getting confused? I am not getting. Even number means at ones place. Do you understand ones place? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 will be there. That is called even number. Okay. So whether 146 is even number or not? Soham, whether 146 is even number or not? Okay. So 146 is the even number. Okay. 2, 3, 4 is even number or not? Tell me fast, everyone. Whether 2, 3, 4 is even number or not? Yes, even. 57, whether it is even number? 57, whether it is, yes, that is odd. 42, odd or even? Odd or even? 42 odd or even? Even. Okay. 503, odd. 4332, 432, odd or even? Even. 300, even. 663, odd. Okay. See our question. How many even numbers? Okay. It means we are interested only in even numbers. Okay. Is 146 divided by 3? Is it divided by 3? See. No. Right? See 2, 3, 4. Yes, completely divided. Next, 42. Completely divided, right? Then 432. This will be also, let us see. Completely divided. And 300 will be also completely divided by 3. It means how many numbers are completely divided by 3? 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many numbers are divided by 3? 4 even odd numbers are completely, 4 even numbers are completely divided by 3. Therefore, our option number 4 will be the, option number 1 will be the right option. Okay. Next. How many prime numbers are there? Okay. So one series is given to us and they have asked us how many prime numbers are present in this series. Okay. Now first I will teach you what is meant by prime numbers. The numbers which comes under the table of 1 and itself. The number which comes under the table of 1 and itself is called as prime number. Soham, Shaha, Arnav and Aradhya. Did you understood what is meant by prime number? The number which comes under the table of 1 and itself is called as prime number. Arnav, any difficulty? Aradhya, Shaha,
No, ma'am.
Soham, any difficulty?
No, madam.
Is there any difficulty in prime number? See, I am going to ask you. Is there any difficulty? Aradhya, did you understood what is mean by prime number? Hi, it's okay. First tell me, did you understood what is mean by prime number? The number which comes under one's table and itself is called as the prime number. Okay. Only in one's table and itself is called as the prime number. Now see, series is given to you. I hope so you are able to see the series properly. Okay. Series is 1, 11, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, 81 and 91. Now you will tell me whether it is prime number or not. Okay. Whether 1 is prime number or not. You have to tell me yes or no. Aradhya, Arnav, Soham, Shaha. Okay. You will tell me. See what I have told you. Arnav, this is your problem. You do not listen to concept properly. The number which comes under only 1 and its table is called as the prime number. Whether 1 is prime number or not. Arnav, whether 1 is prime. Soham, your answer is right. Soham, your answer is right. Arnav, whether 1 is prime number or not. Yes. Aradhya, nice. Your answer is right. Yes. 1 is prime number. Okay. Next, 11 is prime number or not. Is 11 prime number or not? The number which comes under itself and one's table is called as the prime number. My question is whether 11 is prime number or not. Soham, Aradhya, Arnav. Be fast. 11 is prime number. Okay. Is 21 a prime number? Is 21 a prime number? No, 21 is not a prime number because it comes in table of 3. It comes in table of 7. Okay, what about 31 then? What about 31? Whether 31 is prime number or not? Whether 31 is prime number or not? Prime. Okay, 31 is prime number. What about 41? What about 41? Is Soham, does 41 comes under any other table? It is prime number or not? Yes, it is a prime number. What about 51? What about 51? It is not a prime number. What about 61? 61, whether it is prime number or not? Yes, it is a prime number. What about 71? 71, is it prime number or not? 71 is prime number. What about 81? What about 81? No, 81 is not a prime number because 9 nines are 81. What about 91? What about 91? No, it is also not a. Just count then. How many prime numbers? Count. Count how many prime numbers? How many prime numbers are there in that series? How many are there? Which option is right then? Soham right. Which option is right? Aradhya right. Soham right. Arnav, how many prime numbers then? How many prime numbers? Yes, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Option number 2 is the right option. Okay.